Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is a June 2021 43 million question number 8. The first question, part A, he's asking a solid cuboid measure 20 by 12 by 5. Okay, so it means this, you can understand from here length and width. So look this way I show you. Just this is no need to show the examiner. This is just of your proper understanding. I'm doing it. This 20, wait a minute, please. This 20 length centimeter, and this is a 12 centimeter, and this is above, we can say, height of 5. Okay, so I think you understanding what is going on. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, this is a 5. I think all okay. And this is a length 20, this 12 here, and this is a 5 here. If this kind of diagram you don't make an exam, no problem at all. Just sake of understanding I'm doing. He is asking what, because for your knowledge, this is called a prism. Okay, cuboid always prism. Okay, then what is a volume formula we use? Volume formula we use basically is cross area into length or height. So no problem at all. I'm using a height. So which shape will take a cross area? For example, this blue area, blue shape, I take as a cross area. Although you can take the front part even, no problem at all. The same answer comes. Okay, I take cross area. So 20 into 12 is called cross area. And what is the height of the object? 5. So that's simple. So if I multiply them, so 20 times to 12 into 5, I get 1200 centimeter cube. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. That is why if you take this cross area, 5 will 12 here and 20 will come outside, so no effect will come. Same answer will come. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Total surface area. How to get a cuboid surface area? I have a special formula for it. TSA, total surface area, cross area into 2. You ask why, sir? Because bottom area, the floor area, and the top ceiling area, they are same. So that is why I say cross area into 2. Okay, plus, okay, I have a space problem, so I bring it down slightly here. Okay, now times 2, perimeter of cross area times 2 length, okay, or times 2 height, no issue at all. Cross area shape is a bluish area, so 20 into 12 is coming cross area. So I'm finding it separate cross area, or I can do directly even, no problem at all. So here I got 12 to the 24, so 240 is my cross area shape into 2. So plus, what is the perimeter? Let's count and make a black color line around it. This is called perimeter of cross area, and I believe you're understanding, because what is the definition of perimeter? The boundary, outer boundary is called perimeter of a shaded area. So actually this bluish area is called cross area, all of you people know it, and blackish boundary is called a perimeter of cross area. So if I count them, if I check 20, 12, my question, what is this 20? What a backward 12, 20. What is this 12? What is this 12? So it means 20 and 12 will come 2 times. 20 plus 12 plus 20 plus 12 into height of the container, 5. And if I solve it directly, I will get my answer, 240 into 2. In a bracket, I got 20 plus 12 plus 20 plus 12 and times 2 height. And that is a 5. My answer is coming sharp 800 centimeter square. Although you have a formula, shortcut formula, if you want cuboid only. What is that? Length into width, width into height, height into length into 2. This is a shortcut formula, but I think this formula will valid only for cuboid. But this formula is valid for all kind of prisms. That is why my habit, I teach such a thing which is effective for many questions. Come back, next part. He said a surface of the cuboid is painted. Like he wants to paint this box. Okay, then what? So it costs, the paint is $1.50. Okay, fine. I can see here dollars and centimeter square. Okay, he said he find a cost of 1 centimeter of that. Okay, so total area, the whole area 800 is painted at the cost of $1.50. I repeat my words. He's saying the cost of paint used to paint it $1.50. I'm writing here 1.5. For how much area, students? 800 centimeters square. But he said, no, 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 give me the cost of 1 centimeter square. So I will write here 1 and C for cost and cross multiply. So C multiply with 800, I will get C times to 800. 1 multiply with 1.52, I will get 1 into 1.52. This 800 will divide under it, and I will get a cost. So in a cent, he's asking, okay, I'll deal with that, don't worry, because I will get in dollars. But he said, no, 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 give an answer in a cents. So you know, student, how to convert dollar to cent? It's simple and simple, multiply by 100. So this is multiply by 100, 2 zeros cancel, and I got a 1.52 divided by 8. So cost is 0.19 cent, the cost of the whole thing. I hope so this part is clear. And let's go for the bottom part. B, a solid metal of cylinder has a radius x and height is this one. So let me make a cylinder, because if you make a cylinder, you will get a better picture. You will get a better picture. Have a look. Cylinder. The radius is given by him is x. Wait a minute, please. Okay, students. So second part, what here he said that the radius of cylinder is x. You can see, students, very clear. And height of the cylinder is 9x by 2. I drew the diagram. Okay. He said what here? All the metals used to make a sphere. I repeat, this whole metal of this cylinder, he said, is made a sphere of radius r. What is sphere shape? All people, you know it. This kind of shape is called sphere, and the sphere radius is r. He said himself, okay, fine. He said, give r in terms of x. For your knowledge, can I say volume of cylinder is equals to volume of sphere? Yes, I can say, because he said, okay. So we have, or I can twist them even. This can come here and this can go there. So it means both things are same. So a sphere volume and cylinder volume are same. So what is sphere volume formula? You must know it. 4 by 3 pi r cube. What is cylinder volume? This is cylinder is actually prism, and I taught on the top prism formula is fixed, where is there we have cross area into height. So my question, what this shape is called? Circle area. So circle area is a pi r square, and height of container is h. So pi r square into h. So I believe you got a formula. Now student, plug in the values. This is coming in the place of height. This is coming in the place of r. So let's try to solve it. Pi, x will come in the place of r. So I get x square. Height is coming here 9 x by 2. Okay, 9x by 2. And this r is r. I'm not changing. I'm leaving as it is, r cube. But student, can you see this pi will go down and pi by cancel. Why waste my time? Why not cancel directly like that? Okay. Now this 3 is dividing, will multiply on the top, and 4 is multiplying, r cube will divide. I repeat my words. So x time to x cube, x square, sorry, x time to x square will give us 9x cube by 2. For your knowledge, this 3 is down, will go up. I mean like this. This 4 is multiplying, will go down like this. Now I'm simplifying. How to simplify, students? So 3 9s are 27 x cube. And one more thing, 2 4s are 8. I got this kind of thing. Do you know, student, when the cube will go there, become cube root. And cube root is behaving like this. 27x cube by 8. Here indices concept is there. Indices says whenever cube root of 7 comes, you can type in calculator, it gives you 3. Cube root of 8, if you type in calculator alone, it gives you 2. And cube root of x, this one, actually cube root of this, actually cube root means 1 over 3. 1 over 3 is like this, and power cancel, we get x. But hold on, some students have a confusion. So what is in terms of r means? If I say r in terms of p, it means left hand side r, right hand side p. If I say no, r in terms of k, it means left hand side r, right hand side k. If you say no, r in terms of x, if for example this question, so r left hand side x, right hand side. So see, my target is achieved and I got my answer very well. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. And let's go for the below part. So let's go to students part number C. And what a C part we have, you can see he mentioned the question that the container length is 150 centimeter. He says cylinder has a radius 20. You can see 20, you can see clearly. And water in the depth of water. You can see this shaded area is a water. This is a water. Okay. All right. He said here one of volume of the water cylinder. So this cross area, I'm going to make it here. So I will make not one diagram. I'll make 2 or 3 diagrams to make it proper understanding. So first of all, this length, hold on, this is a water level and this is center of circle 20 and 20. Hold on, look at radius 20. So this is a 20. Hold on, you know, student, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, and 20. And not even this is also 20. So this is a 20 I wrote here. I repeat my words. This 20 I wrote. This both are 20. And this is also 20. Out of 20, and what is the bottom depth of water? Is a 5 centimeter. This is a 5 centimeter. So this I'm showing you, this is a 5 centimeter. 5. Out of, because 20, 20, 20, out of 25 gone. So this becomes what? 15. So this is 15 centimeter, 90 degree. And this I given name as a alpha. Okay, so this triangle I'm going to make separate. You can see from here, 90 degree, this is alpha, and this is 15 students, and this is 20, and now I'm using SOHCAHTOA. In front of angle, this is called opposite. In front of 90, this is called hypotenuse, and this is called adjacent. And which formula used to find out this angle? So adjacent by hypotenuse is SOHCAHTOA. SOHCAHTOA means ka. So I'm using ka. So cos theta is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Theta is alpha. So I'm writing here alpha. Adjacent is 15. I'm writing here 15. And hypotenuse is 20. I'm writing here 20. Cos will go on this end. So alpha equal to cos inverse 15 by 20. But for your knowledge, alpha is this much only. But I need full angle. Full angle means this full angle. So into 2. So this answer into 2. I will get, look, I show you diagram, students. So it means actually this full diagram, I show you, this is a triangle, this is a triangle, and this is this one, and this full is angle is called theta. And this is the area I'm looking for to find it. Okay, so have a look here. So this is okay. Okay, so this is a theta, is very, very clear. And there's a radius 20 and 20. And let's see how we can complete it. So how to get this one, students? So come back now. So into 2, that is why theta is equals to 2 times 2 cos inverse 15 by 20. Or you find this value and then into 2. So no problem at all. And I am finding in my calculator. And hold on, when I find in my calculator cos inverse 15 divided by 20, I get this answer, students, 41.4096. Into 2, I get what answer? This theta turns to be 82.8192. And how much you can take it? I think better to take 2 or 3 dps for more accuracy. So this angle, I got it, alhamdulillah rabbil alameen. Okay, what is the plan of to find out this shaded area? Actually, volume. Basic formula of volume is what, student? We use cross area multiply by length. So this is this shaded part is called cross area and length is 150. So how to get this cross area, students? So plan is so simple. So look, I show you. Look, I show blue color. So this is called sector. This is called sector. Full is called sector. So from sector, subtract the upper part. Triangle, subtract. You get a lower part. So let's start now. Here I'm saying, so cross area is actually sector area minus triangle area. And for your knowledge, theta by 360 degree. And I use here theta by 360 degree into pi r square, into pi r square. And what is the triangle area, student? Formula half into a into b into sine theta. So I use the values in the same time. Theta gone, I plug in this value here. So 82.8192. And what is the radius, student? Radius is very, very clear, is a 20. Look, I show once again, this radius value, I'm getting 20. So I'm writing here 20 to power 2. Same students here, I'm writing here. So A is 20, B is 20. Both are radius, 20 into sine. And the middle angle is very, very clear. And that is, I am writing here what? 82.8192. I'm using too lengthy answer for just for accuracy. And hold on, students, so let me type it. So 80, this is a 81.8.8192, which is angle. I got it. So wait a minute, please. And 82.8192 divided by 360 into pi into 20 square. And my first answer is coming 289.0935. Second answer, half into 20 into sine of 82.8192. Why I'm typing separate? So you can find out your mistake. You can find out your mistake easily. And 289.0935 minus answer, and I got 90.76. 6 and 217. And now what is the volume formula? As I said before, so cross area into length of container, and cross area is very clear, 90.6621, and length of container is 150 centimeters, and I multiply 150. So wait a minute, and I got here 13599.32 centimeter cube. But he said no, given answer in liter format. And for your knowledge, whenever you want to convert to liter, divide by 1000. So I'm doing it now here. So volume is 13599.32 divided by 1000. 1000, 3 zeros, 3 jump, 1 jump, 2 jump, and third jump. So 13.599, round become 13.6 liters. So alhamdulillah, Rabbil Alameen, and I believe you got a point very, very clear.